Imagine being able to enjoy your music precisely the way it was first recorded. Imagine the ultimate studio experience, but in your home. That aspiration is now a reality. KEF LS50 anniversary model, a legend reborn in the ultimate mini monitor. Continuing a 50-year legacy of innovation, celebrating KEF's original collaboration with the BBC. Using blade technologies and beyond, the LS50 packs a colossal soundstage into our most compact design, bringing out detail and richness you never thought possible. KEF LS50, professional sound for the home. 4 decades ago, the BBC worked with KEF on the legendary LS3 5A studio speaker, because KEF was a pioneer in new technology. In the same spirit, the LS50 pushes the boundaries of innovation, using pioneering technologies from Blade and more. Still an engineer's loudspeaker, the LS50 brings the recording studio into the home with an unparalleled richness of sound.
The main challenge of developing the LS50 as the ultimate mini monitor was to take such a compact package and to get an accurate, spacious sound with all the excitement of the original performance. The 3 key technological breakthroughs in the LS50 are the constrained layer damping, the curved baffle and the flexible elliptical reflex port. These combine together to give a clear and spacious sound. The curved baffle is shaped so that the sound waves spread from the drive unit with minimum reflection from the edges, and that gives a very nice spacious sound. The curvature also improves the rigidity of the baffle, which reduces the vibration. The constrained layer damping, which is between the brace and the enclosure walls and also the front baffle, prevents the cabinet vibrating and radiating sound. This can otherwise cause coloration in the mid-range. The port tube has a flexible wall. This is to allow mid-range sound that is travelling down the port tube to escape back into the cabinet and prevents longitudinal resonances. These can otherwise radiate and cause mid-range coloration. The port tube also has very carefully flared walls to avoid the chuffing noises that you can get when you get air turbulence in the port tube. For the LS50 project, we were very fortunate to be able to draw on the driver technology from the Blade to develop a really special uni-Q for the LS50. The LS50 high frequency unit has got a tangerine waveguide and optimum dome shape to produce a spherical wavefront. This together with a Z-Flex surround gives very wide dispersion, allowing a very spacious sound to be produced with a wide sweet spot. The stiffened dome of the high frequency unit is centrally positioned in the magnesium aluminium alloy mid-range cone. These diaphragms both move as rigid pistons, and the break-up control of the mid-range unit allows an exceptionally accurate and clean sound. In this project, the access we had to the very latest computing techniques allowed us to spend a considerable amount of time at the beginning of the project just exploring what happens inside the loudspeaker enclosure and the different geometries and materials we could use to make it perform better. We had the finite element method for modelling the vibration and the air inside the box, the boundary element method for modelling the radiation into infinite space, and computational fluid dynamics to look at the airflow inside the reflex port. The main benefit of this technology was that it allowed us to evaluate how much coloration was radiated from the port and the cabinet walls. We could also see exactly how the cabinet walls vibrated and the sound pressure varied inside the enclosure. What we're doing now is completely in the spirit of KEF, bringing recordings to life using the latest technology.
An unrivaled legacy of half a century's innovation means the KEF name is synonymous with acoustic excellence. And the quest continues, with KEF leading the way.